as I want to style this beautiful natural hairstyle for my daughter, and I said, why don't I take you guys along? Let me walk you through on how you can easily style this natural hairstyle. Hey lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. So this is how I just want to make this hairstyle, and I decided to take you guys along. As you see, first of all, I moisturize the hair, I spray the hair, and that's the hedge control I'm going to be using. I always say whenever you want to make your hair, always don't forget to moisturize the hair. So if you have been following me in this channel, you will know that we don't do hair without moisturizing it. So after I moisturize the hair, I section this part aside, which is the first down, and I'm going to pack it into three. That three, I'm going to twist it, each one into two. So but this second step, and I section it into three parts, and I'm going to also clear the parts as usual, and I'm going to weave this one like it's not weaving, it's twisting. I'm going to be twisting it one, which is the first step was into two, and this one is just one, but I use a black rubber band to pack it. So this is just like so. So the reason for this is because I don't want the hair to be too much, because I will be packing it. If you are following my channel, you will know that they are doing fashion, because we live in Germany, okay? They are doing fashion, and as long as your child is going to school, is going to kindergarten, they must participate. There must be something they want to represent, which this Bianca represented peach, and the two sisters, one represented I think I forgot the name because if you watch my video where I was making them up, you see, because when I called them Snow White, my daughter was like, the Victoria, she was like, mommy, it's not Snow White, I think it's Elsa. Yes, and one represented Elsa, then the other one represented Jasmine. So that is why I didn't make this hair too much, because I was going to pack everything, and so that I can be able to pack it, and also because of the bead I am going to I'm putting on the hair. If it's too full, it looks so, because the bead I'm putting very colorful bead. I'm not using the same color. So if it's too full, it will look too much. So I recommend, when you want to make this kind of hairstyle, don't just make the full hair. I would have make all the hair this way, but the bead I was using was too colorful. So just watch and see how it turned out to be later. Why you should always moisturize hair before you start making the hair is so make the hair healthy. See, there are some people, when they make their kids hair, or when they make their hair too much, it damages their hair, most especially front of hair. If you see Bianca hair right now, you see the way I packed it, the hair is still very good, it's still healthy. I make her hair once a week, sometimes twice a week, but it's not more than twice a week. Sometimes I even make her hair twice a week. Sometimes when I say it's not more than twice a week, it's not more than twice a month, sorry. But sometimes I even make her hair twice a week. Depends on the style I make her. Okay, so most of the style I'm making her is a packing hair. When you're making packing hair, it doesn't damage her that much, because it's just to pack hair. But if you're the type that make maybe weaving, which is cornrow, you have to cornrow it to the back or whatsoever, you have to make the hair at least once a month or twice a month, because if you keep disturbing the hair, instead of the hair to be healthy, the hair will be damaging. So there are some people hair that don't just go well with making hair often, but because even after I make their hair, I don't stop spraying it. Whenever they are going to kindergarten or they are going to school, I always they are used to it. If I don't do it, maybe I am dressing baby, they just take the oil and they start oiling their hair by themselves. So that's because I have told them the reason why they should be doing it, and it's very good. So you make their hair keep moisturized, and it don't make your hair damage. So I would recommend, if you are not doing it, maybe some people, they just make hair before they undo the hair, they take out the hair, they don't like apply anything. If you are not doing it, I will advise you learn how to do it, and also teach your child how to be doing it, so that when you are busy or you forget, like, because as a mom, it's normal sometimes you forget something, so they will be able to do it themselves, you know. So that is it. And this hairstyle right now, apart from this, the second part from the back that I just twisted once, other parts I'm going to be doing it two, which is, see this first part now, and this second part is the same thing, because I'm going to weave the side to this side. So I just like twisted two so that it will not be too scanty, it will not be too full. So if you not watch the video, the where I packed this hair, use it to make a Peach, Princess Peach. She represented Princess Peach for her fashion day, and according to her, Princess Peach have a blonde hair, and the hair is long. So I packed this hair. I managed to pack all the hair. You know, as you can see, I didn't add any other thing to it. It's a natural hair. So I managed to pack the hair in one place, and I used it to make Princess Peach hairstyle for her, and the hair was so amazing. So after we're done with that other side, here now I'm going to just section it to where the other one ended, just like so. And I want to just do it and put a little bit brush in the front, and after that I use edge control to stretching them to clear the parts, and also apply in the front just to make it look smooth and fine. Then I will start weaving it. I just weave it, I added brush to it, and I weave the other side, I also added brush to it, and this is how I just do it. So if you see Bianca hair now, you see her hair is so good, it's fine, and the texture of her hair is so nice. So there are some hair texture, like when I'm making Diamond's hair, which I'm and the one I'm doing a threading hair challenge for. Hair texture is very hard. A hair texture is the kind of hair where you will moisturize before you finish your hair. The hair will be so dry as if you never use anything to touch it. So what I normally do when I'm making her hair, I have different conditioner. Though sometimes I just use it for them, but I intentionally bought that conditioner because of Diamond's hair, because of her hair texture. So Bianca hair texture is like mine. When you condition it, you know, when you're making the hair will be sweeting you. Like, the hair is so nice. It's not that soft, it's not that hard, it's just in the middle. So while the elder sister, Victoria, her hair texture is very soft. So, and after I finish this part, I use rubber band also to hold just like the way I'm doing it right now, you see. So I'm going to twist it into two, share the hair part, twist it into two, but I'm going to make sure I weave everything first before I start twisting it. So in case you don't know me, if it's the first time coming across my channel, my name is Susan, a mom of 4 girls living in Germany with her family. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I welcome you all to my channel. If this is the first time I'm coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And to my returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate you all for your endless support. So please help us to like this video, comment, and also share. So you see the way I'm weaving it now, I also added brush here. This is just the 2 parts I added brush to, and I didn't do it too long, because of the ones I do at the back, so I don't look like as if they are just standing on their own. And yeah, just like so. The hair is easy. It's a natural hairstyle that you can just do, and yeah, you can just do. Maybe you are going to school, you know, like your child is going to school. That's what I mean. And you don't have that much time. You can just easily just pack it, or just make it easy hairstyle. So, and more reason why I don't make Bianca much hairstyle is she's impatient. She's always like, "Mom, are you not done? Why is it taking forever?" You know, and all that. So when she's started complaining like that, I have to like make it fast. So to avoid that, I have to like just make her easy hairstyle that I can easily do before she start complaining. We will be done. So that is it. And to make your hair more healthier and more stronger, don't forget to always moisturize the hair and spray the hair, just like I did from the beginning. And for example, when you are making the hair along the line and it's still hard, always you can always moisturize it, and yeah, leave it. Just don't just leave it for hair to enter. Weave it, or if possible, twist it before you pin it. So, and I will be showing more of what I'm saying now in Diamond's hair, because her hair is more hard, is harder, and it's so difficult to section. When you are sectioning that hair, you have to use all your strength to do it, because the hair is so difficult to do. And yeah, so this is the final style, how it looks like. You see, because I weave it because of the hair control I added to it. It will make the hair look strong. So before you twist, I have to first of all use a wide mouth comb to comb it, and before I twist it. So yeah, all this is all just about natural hair, nothing more, nothing attached to it. So, and I hope this video finds you well. I hope you're going to give this video a try. And if you do, if you like it, I hope you come back to say, okay, I like this hairstyle, and also tell me what you think about this hairstyle. I'll be happy to hear from you. So this bead I'm adding right now is the bead I bought in the shop. And yeah, I thought I was not going to be using it because the mat is so tiny, so it's only have to work with natural hairstyle. So now we are done. I'm going to add oil to it. This is the oil, the bottle I put the oil that they can apply by themselves. So when I finish making their hair, I just add to it, finish. So until they are going to school again, before they will start adding it, like every day they do it this way. You see, the hair is fine, right? Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe. Bye for now.